What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you all want to know how I achieved this braid out with clip-ins from CurlsQueen, please stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we are hopping right into this tutorial, and I'm showing you guys the box I got from CurlsQueen, where their motto is to be fresh, gifted, and black. I think that is so cute. But anyways, I am showing you guys the one clip-in row that I've already done in the back. So to begin with, they gave me so many different, like, I don't know what you call it, clip-in counts for like each bundle. But what you see me doing here is brushing out the clip-in hair to match my hair, kind of the state it's in now. So it's easier to braid and blend in. So I started on stretched hair. Now the curls clip in, sorry, they did not have that pattern whenever I first got them. They were like a 3C 4A, really kinky curly pattern. So what I did was I washed and conditioned them. So I shampooed and conditioned and did my stretching routine. So I basically just put them in braids to air dry and then brushed them out like you guys saw me doing now. But I went ahead and unpopped the clips and I made a row, and I'm going ahead and installing the clip-ins here, which you guys see me doing now. Yeah. Alright, y'all, if you look over down in the corner, I'm giving you a little unboxing of whenever I first received the package from CurlsQueen, and they gave me a little pouch inside of the box with a Tangle teaser brush with their logo. I got a bonnet and some extra clips if I needed to put them on the wefts or if they were to fall off or anything like that. I really like this bonnet. It's satin silk inside and out, and it's got like the little scrunchie at the bottom to tighten it. But the hair came in this silk bag, netted, which I'm about to show you guys next. Really pretty pattern, like I was telling you guys, 3C 4A, beautiful. But over where I'm doing now, I've already completed the back of my head and I'm showing you guys the front. So I showed you all what I used, which was Pattern Beauty. That's the curl mousse. It's really good with braid outs. I feel like it's important if you're starting on elongated hair not to oversaturate your hair and to use light products. So I'd recommend a mousse or a setting lotion or a very light moisturizer. All right, y'all. So I have finished braiding all of my hair in with the clip-ins and doing that whole braid out routine. Now I'm just going to put on the bonnet that came with my clip-ins from CurlsQueen, and we are going to go to bed. Also, with this braid out routine, which I've never done before today, so hopefully this works out well. You want to start on stretched hair. So just like, if you guys have seen my previous braid out video, I suggest you go and watch that, because basically that's what I'm doing here, just adding the clip in. So you want to work on stretched hair, you want to use light product, and you don't want to resaturate your hair to where the curl pattern reverts back. You still want it to kind of have that elongated state. Braid it and then take it down in the morning. I will see you guys in the morning and we will recap. Okay, y'all, so it hit the morning time and I chose to chop up this part because unfortunately my hair was still wet and I was having a little bit of a meltdown because it was 30 minutes before I needed to go to work, and I was like, oh no, if this isn't right, then it's not gonna work out. Like, if you know, the natural girlies know, if your hair ain't dry, prepare for frizz. But yeah, I was nervous. Anyways, I went ahead and took down all of the braids and it actually turned out pretty well. So I just went ahead and let it air dry in the state that it was. I didn't separate first off because I knew my hair was wet. But you guys here see me literally 15 minutes later at work feeling myself. And yeah, I feel like it doesn't look too bad. It actually looks pretty good. And then throughout the day, started looking like this. Do y'all remember that little breakdown I was having this morning? Y'all, I really was stressed about the outcome of these clip-ins, but as you can see, there was no need in worrying. There was no need in worrying. Really good. I do need to trim it up a little bit in places where I can to help, like, I don't know, like make it look more natural. But anyways, I came back to give you guys a proper outro to this braid out clip-ins tutorial. I did let it air dry out at work, so I let it down and kind of let it do its own thing, and it started to look like this. Now getting back at lunch, like I told you guys I was going to do, I'm doing more here, shaping and looking where things need to be cut a little bit more, okay? Just like that, where I see like the length where it needs to be taken in, and I'm just snipping that away. But anyways, these clip-ins are the water jerry curl, I believe so. I'll put it here and in the description down below. Color 1B, so this is black, natural brown. And I was given a plethora of different like clip-in numbers for the bundles or wefts, however you want to say. But yeah, and there's so many different ways you can style this hair. Like even just the way that I flipped it over just then, you can do that. You can put this stuff up in a pineapple. Endless possibilities. This is really cute. I can't believe I did this. I can't believe I did this. And I'm a beginner. This is beginner friendly. Y'all, I've never worked with clip-ins before in my life. Now there is some things I would change via the scalp in the way I put them in and positioned them, because some of them are tugging a little bit, but we will get that method down. I probably should have watched a little bit more videos on it, but I didn't. Without further ado, I'm in and out this video. If you guys like this content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, okay? I got so many of y'all watching, but not a lot of y'all is subscribing. But anyways, let me know what y'all want to see next. I got more content coming out with more collabs with hair stuff, so stay tuned, okay? And yeah, use the code in the description box below. It's the best time to get some clip-ins right now this season in the fall, because they're having a sale. So go get your clip-ins. See you guys in the next video. Peace.